Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to solve a fraction. Welcome back, math enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of fractions and unraveling the secrets of solving them. Whether you're a student in need of a refresher or a curious learner, ready to master this essential math skill, you've come to the right place. So, grab your pencils, sharpen your minds, and let's solve some fractions. Alright, let's start with the basics. Fractions are a way to represent parts of a whole. They consist of a numerator, the number on the top, and a denominator, the number on the bottom. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator, and 4 is the denominator. It tells us that we have 3 out of 4 equal parts of something. Pretty cool, right? Now, to solve fractions, we often need to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Let's start with addition. When adding fractions with the same denominators, we keep the denominator the same and simply add the numerators together. For example, if we have 1/4 plus 2/4, since the denominators are the same, which is 4, we can just add the numerators. That gives us 3/4. Easy peasy. Right. Now, what if we want to add fractions with different denominators? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. We just need to find a common denominator. Let's take this example, 1/3 plus 1/6. The denominators are different here. To add them, we need to find a common denominator. In this case, it's 6. We'll need to convert both fractions into equivalent fractions with denominators of 6. But there is another method of solving a fraction. This method was called the butterfly method. It's easier to use somehow. All you need to do is multiply both the denominators, then multiply the denominator of second term to the numerator of first term, then multiply the denominator of the first term to the numerator of second term, then simplify. And you will get the same result. Great job so far, everyone. Now, let's move on to subtraction. Remember how we added fractions with different denominators? Well, subtracting them is pretty similar. For subtraction, we start by finding a common denominator. Just like we did before, let's take an example. 2/3 minus 1/6. We find the least common multiple, which is 6, and rewrite the fractions to have a common denominator. Now, we can subtract the numerators. For 6 minus 1/6 is 3/6, which can be simplified to 1/2. We can also use a butterfly method in subtracting a fraction. Multiply both the denominators, then multiply the denominator of second term to the numerator of first term. Then multiply the denominator of the first term to the numerator of second term, then simplify. And still you will get the same result. Now let's move on to multiplication of fractions. To multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. For example, 2 multiply 1/2 by 3/4. We would multiply 1 by 3 and by 4, giving us 3/8. Very easy, right? Now let's go to the division of fraction. Dividing fractions is the same as multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of a fraction is just the fraction, flipped upside down. For example, to divide 1/2 by 3/4, we would first flip 3/4 upside down to get 4/3. Then, we would multiply 1/2 by 4/3, giving us 4/6. Take note that, before solving any fractions, convert it first to its original fraction form to make it easier to solve. That's all there is to multiplying and dividing fractions. Congratulations, you've leveled up your fraction solving skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep challenging yourself by trying out more examples and exploring different scenarios. That wraps up our tutorial on solving fractions. I hope you've enjoyed this journey and feel more confident in your fraction solving prowess. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep embracing the world of fractions. And happy mathing!